Next thing I want to do is to come around to the back, and I want to put a picture here. Now, in order to do that, you can just import an image from anywhere you've got an image saved and just drop it in, which initially looks fine, but if you go further and start putting this model into an environment, then it disappears. In order for your image to really show up, you need to use it as a decal, which is this one up here. So what we need to do is to first off create a sketch and put an image in that sketch, get it the right size, and then we can have a look at this decal tool. So I'm going to select that inside surface of my screen and create a sketch there. And I want to put an image. Now, if you come over here to the insert, you've got image is your option. So if I click on that, I've got an image here from the Rock Challenge a couple of years ago, I think. And I think I'll choose that rather than a star photo. Open that, and I'm just going to click here. You can see that at the moment it's much too big. So right click and escape, okay, or you can just hit the, cancel. You can either hit the escape key, or you can do this. That just gets me back to the cursor mode. What that means now is I can select a corner and I can resize and reposition my image. So if I select the bottom right corner and move it along, you'll see that's going to resize it. It snaps to horizontal and vertical. I'm going to keep it obviously horizontal. That's going to allow me to resize it. This top corner here, I'll grab that, that's just allowed me to move it. So you need to be careful which one you grab. So I grab that one there, I'm going to bring it in a bit and I'm going to move it a bit as well, still a bit big. So it's something maybe like in a bit. Like that. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to finish the sketch. Now you can see that it's actually still sticking out the side of the camera there, because the whole image is still just floating on that sketch. So if I use a decal tool, it's going to just wrap that image to a set surface. So in this case, it's going to be the screen surface. In other instances, it may be to a curved surface to put maybe a label on a bottle or something else a bit more interesting like that. But for us just now, let's do the basic one. So if I hit the decal tool, top, it's asking me to select the image. Well, that's my image there. You can see when I hover over it, it gives me the outline of the whole image. That's the image. And now what it's asking me to do is to identify which surface I want that image put onto. Now, if I bring my cursor over, I could select any of these images and it would put the decal onto that or onto this. What I want to do is to put it onto that bottom surface there where the screen is. So if I just hit that, press OK, I've now got an image that is pasted onto just that surface. So in the same way, if I wanted to, I could create an image in a drawing package that maybe had up, down, left, right, select or something, and I could put that image onto my buttons to make that look a bit more realistic, and in that way build up a model that is very like the real object. Anyway, I will leave it there for now. We've got an embossed logo on the front and we've got a decal image on the back. So have a go. If you get stuck, come back and look through the videos and see if you can identify where you've gone wrong.